I'm Relitza Vasilova with this breaking news. A powerful earthquake has struck just off the coast of Chile. The U.S. Geological Survey says it had a magnitude of 8.0 and it has triggered tsunami warnings for Chile, Peru, and Ecuador. Tsunami watches are in effect for the Pacific coast of Central America. Shasta Darlington is in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Shasta is joining us now on the phone. What can you tell us about this earthquake?
Well, Relitza, this is obviously still very much a developing story. It was just a few minutes ago, really, that this massive earthquake hit, as you said, 8.0 magnitude. It struck off the coast of Chile, the northern coast of Chile, near a mining town called Iquique, and it was about 10 kilometers deep, which is fairly shallow, which means, of course, that it would have been felt even more strongly. The tsunami alert covers all of the coast of Chile, and much of both South America, and then a watch for Central America. So obviously they want to get the word out there that this could develop into something big, but this is still something that we are just watching to see how dangerous it becomes. This is obviously a region that has had a lot of problems with earthquakes in the past. It's something they're used to, but 8.0 magnitude is it's a massive earthquake. So we're just going to have to keep an eye on this to see whether or not the tsunami develops and how serious this becomes, whether or not there's already been property damage, obviously whether or not people have been injured. We don't have this information yet. We're waiting to get more details as we speak, Relitza.
And Shasta, we are receiving some information from the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center in Honolulu, Hawaii. They say that they have to wait about 30 minutes before they know if there is a tsunami. They expect one. A wave will be generated. It usually is, as you mentioned, this area prone to earthquakes and tsunamis. They most probably think it generated some type of tsunami wave, but they have to wait about 30 minutes before they know if that has happened with this history of tsunamis in that area. So you mentioned Iquique, that's a mining area there.
That's right. And in the case of tsunamis, it really just depends how far the coasts are from the epicenter. In the case of northern Chile, we should know fairly quickly whether or not the tsunami warning will be played out. And in other cases, when the coastline, for example, Hawaii is further away, it can take hours until there's some kind of a reaction in the form of a tsunami. So again, we'll just be keeping an eye on this story and letting you know as it develops, Relitza.